this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services and Mobile Homesteading. And we have just got finished spray foaming the ceiling of our bedroom. I used a product called Froth Pack 200 by Dow. I also did what they call window painting. The 2-inch R10 foam board that I bought to put in for our insulation on the walls. Now I'll be taking that same 2-inch and putting it right even with the ceiling here. So we'll have twice the insulation. The whole purpose of this, the foam on the roof of the interior of the inside of our attic here, is to keep moisture from building up inside of our attic, and also keep the moisture from going through and condensating into the wood that's on the roof. This, excuse me with the lighting here, it's kind of bad here, but this is the kit that I got here. It's Froth Pack 200 by Dow. And it's getting pretty late this evening. I just finished up. I'm gonna go eat dinner and then come back and clean up. Cool thing about this is if you get everything set up, as you see, we got plastic down here on the ground, and we put our plastic down. I've got plastic bags on all of our wires that are hanging out for each one of our individual LED lights and stuff of that nature. If you get all your prep work done, cover your windows with paper or plastic. Those two I just took off so I could see outside. But if you get all that prep work done, that's the hardest part. And then the spraying went quick. Wear the right kind of PPE gear. Make sure you got respirator and eye protection and Tyvek suit so you don't get that mess all over you. But it dries really quick. It's not like spray foam in a can. I mean, I've used spray foam in a can for years and years, and I love it. But this stuff, it was hardening. Oh, geez, probably about maybe 3 or 4 seconds after I put it on, it was getting to where it was starting to harden up. So it's quick. Once you do all your prep work and get it done, you end up with a really good sealant. Oops, sorry about that. And you end up with a really good, insulation factor. Ever since I put this in here, we've got a heater running right now just to keep it warm in here. It's probably about 35 degrees outside. It's about 80 in here. I'm gonna have to turn the heater off. Now, before I put this insulation in here, it was a totally different deal. It was, it got kind of cool, and then you turn it up and down, but now it's too warm in this area now. But I thought you guys liked to see this, and this is Eddie with Mobile Homestead Solar Services. God bless, and you have a wonderful day. Happy trails.